Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get this little guy, your chat, into OBS. If you're brand new and don't know how to do that as a streamer, stick around. We're going to talk about it right now. Alright, so in order to get this into OBS, you're simply going to come down here to the cog wheel. You're going to come over here and hit pop out chat. And then you're going to take your chat URL that's up here, copy that URL. Just go to copy. And then you can just get rid of that. And then from there, you're going to go to your OBS. Don't mind the little preview thing. From there, you're going to go OBS. You're going to come down to docs. You're going to go ahead and hit custom browser doc. And then you're going to kind of put your doc name and you're going to paste that URL right here. So I'll show you. Test. And then I'm just going to hit Control V, paste. And then I'm just going to hit apply. Your chat is now here and it says text. Drag it and put it right there. That's all you have to do. And then come over here, hit apply, exit out of this. I hope this has helped you guys. Please go ahead and follow button for more Kick tutorials and Kick updates and breaking news that happens with Kick.